Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a Xiaomi 12. Firstly, open your Play Store and then search Find X Icon Changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Now need to close ads. And choose from the list of application your application. Maybe will be YouTube, will be nice. So choose application and from the library of your icon choose your new icon. Maybe this one, new YouTube. Okay. If you find your icon, press to select, and then on the top right corner we got OK button. Tap it. And here we got message. Please go to the system settings to open shortcuts permission. Tap OK. And now tap other permission. And here we got home screen shortcuts. So tap here and choose always allow. And go back one more time and tap OK one more time. Close ads one more time. Okay, maybe let's try again. Okay. Sorry, we got success message, so go to our home screen. And here we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.